Assalamualaikum semua. Bersama aku sekali MDA Legacy dalam video yang terbaru. Hari ni aku ada dekat NAZRIN Performance Shop section 27 Shah Alam untuk review workshop dia and also kereta-kereta yang dia dah buat ada dekat dalam bengkel tu lah, kat dalam sana tu. Aku difahamkan bengkel ni adalah salah satu lubuk Mivec. So siapa-siapa yang rasa macam nak panas tu. Siapa-siapa yang rasa macam nak swap ke enjin Mivec, siapa-siapa yang nak bikin dia punya Mivec, kau boleh datang ke sini, boleh dapat consultation free. Owner dia sangat peramah, owner dia sangat baik. So kalau rasa macam nak merasa enjin Mivec, boleh hantar kereta korang ke bengkel ni.
Hi guys, my name is Simon, representative from NAZRIN Performance Workshop, where we specialize in Mivec conversion and anything to do with the 4G family series. As I said, Mivec conversion, any performance mods to the 4G series or the Mivec conversion, how you would like to build your car from A to Z. We are more than happy to help you guys, and if there's any questions you'd like to ask, please come to our workshop at NAZRIN Performance Shop. Alright Daniel, so these are the cars that we are basically working on. Nanti kita akan pergi the whole shop.
Kita yang lain lah.
Kita yang lain, but for now let's just see. So this is one of the project cars, Mivec 1.6 turbo.
Mivec 1.6 turbo.
Wait, correct bro.
This is a conversion from?
This is conversion from NA to turbo.
So it's 1.6 masuk turbo?
Correct.
Okay.
Owner spec ni dia minta only some internal crank con rods to be upgraded. Others still stock. I think he's taking it slow by slow lah. Dia bagi tahu kita dia nak budget ni. So kita buat ikut macam tu lah. Like example, contoh dia kata the last mod he said I nak K20 plus.
K20 plus.
Okay. So we ikut lah dia nak macam mana, then we do it. So there is this type of customization we do where you tell us your budget, we will customize the plan for you.
So kereta ni pakai management tak?
Kereta ni pakai management e-manage. Piggyback, correct. Okay guys, this is our second car out of couple of more cars. Okay, dia datang sebulan lepas. Exactly about 34 days ago. Masuk memang Satriano CPS 1.6 lah. So as what you can see, JSR CK is now the heart. Ini memang turbo tapi turbo original lah. Okay. the only modification that we did. Of course, first you can see engine bay semua dah painted. Okay, we rebuilt back the engine bay. And another thing that we did is custom back the piping for your whole intercooler system and turbo system.
Custom piping.
So what we want in the end is we want the neatness. And before we give it to the customer, memang kita akan bawa masuk KL, testing your clutch lah, get stuck in a jam lah, full blast the aircon and all this kind of things, so that when the customer get it, he gets it in the best of what we can do it.
Best condition.
Correct.
Okay, so kereta yang seterusnya ni, kalau korang ingat dulu aku ada review satu biji Saga FLX
FLX.
Saga FLX Mivec 1.8 yang warna putih tu, geng NPS juga. Hari ni engine tu dah ada dekat kereta lain, and aku nak Simon lah warna dia, Saga BLM tu. So aku nak dicerita sikit pasal kereta baru dia ni, engine lama.
Okay bro, so what we can see, dia sekarang the heart of yang dulu kat Saga tu is now in this blue baby
Gen 2.
Gen 2.
Baru cat
Baru cat tu.
dah mak mengelik siap cat. Okay.
Okay, so konsep kereta ni is kita akan pakai untuk weekend je. So first thing, that's why if you boleh tengok kalau kemas ke apa, there is no aircon system in this car.
No aircon
Aircon tu. So understand lah, you either ride hot or die hot lah bro. Okay, no, just kidding. So technically apa yang kita dapat kat Saga tu dulu, sebiji, just that the cams have been redialed.
Okay.
And there's a new ratio on the gearbox. Okay.
Gearbox Mivec or okay.
Mivec gearbox.
Mivec gearbox.
But the ratios has been customized.
Okay.
Those who are willing to, nak tahu how is the ratio, you can always come, we can make an appointment, we can go for a joyride, no issues.
Okay.
Right?
Ui, boleh joyride dalam ni
Okay. So we give the customer, okay, this is the spec we have, bring them for a ride, and example, the customer sign up macam ni ya. So we will tell them the budget, this is how and what you are going to do for it lah. This bay is, as you can see bro, terang sangat, fluorescent green.
Yes, fluorescent green sekali dengan rocket cover.
So this car is running on same as previous, same on Haltech, speed 500, and that's much about it about this baby bro. Of course, the full handling setup for this car is done by Hussein Traction.
Hussein.
Okay. And then if you would like to, if anyone would like to know what is the dimension or how the tires have been done, whatever, you can always drop by to our workshop. On what has been custom to it.
Dekat.
Yep.
Okay.
So that's about this baby.
So this is your new baby.
Oh yes baby. Tapi kita
So,
bawa weekend je lah, bukan daily driven lah ni.
Saga tu buat daily
Saga
drive
tu kita buat daily driven balik.
Dua biji kereta yang seterusnya dalam bengkel ni. Panas. Dalam bengkel ni ada dua biji Satria R3 original, Satria R3 yang ke-40 dengan nombor 93, dua biji. Satu yang ni, satu lagi yang ni. Okay, sekarang aku nak Simon terangkan sikit pasal enjin kereta ni. First, Satria R3 number 40.
Alright, number 40. Okay. Konsep dia owner ni dia nak maintain spec dia clean as possible bro. So if you can look at this engine bay bro, what came out from the factory is here, but what is inside here is a secret recipe. So if you want to know what is the secret recipe, what was done, we are not going to hide anything, but you can always visit our workshop, then we will tell you in detail what was actually done. Mana tahu ada our beloved brothers or sisters who have this mod and would like to do it, hop on to our workshop.
Okay. So kalau nak tahu rahsia apa ada dekat dalam enjin ni, datang bengkel. 40. Tag yang penting. Ni tak boleh jual tag ni, mana boleh. Betul? Memang betul original. This one. Okay. Okay.
How about this?
Next car.
Is also original R3, number 93 out of 150. Lain daripada tu, this is 4 rod bro. There you go. 4 rod. Yep.
Right. So it's the original engine. It's just the owner upgraded to 4 rod. Since that, kita tu oil catch.
And then I actually forgot to mention something here. Alright. Owner ni punyalah sayang kat kereta dia bro. The whole interior is wrapped back in Alcantara material.
Oh, ini wrap balik ni?
Yes.
Oh, right.
Okay. And there you go. Original Casco roll cage bro.
Original Casco.
So all this is custom. Of course, it is taken from Japan. But how we suit it back to the color or what the owner wants or whatever, we can get it done for you.
So it's originally red or you guys spray red?
No, we spray candy red to match the interior. So he wants a clean interior. So there you go. Okay guys, as mentioned. Okay guys. As mentioned, recipe dalam engine tu lain. Same goes for the management. Running on Haltech 1000. Not only that, you also have the dash, air fuel ratio, and kan kita selalu ada external gauge, water, temp, oil pressure semua. It's all now reading on this dash.
So it's all in one lah.
All in one.
Okay, nice.
Okay guys, as for car number 93, interior dia sama dengan nombor 40, cuma ni tak ada roll cage lah. This is
And meter plastik dia still pakai itu lah.
still pakai.
But engine dia
But the different power of how 4 delivers bro is totally different. It's totally different. That's why I say if you want, ada orang nak, you know, want to feel what is it all about, want to know more about it, how actually can you plug and play ke, how you have to mod into your car ke, definitely just drop us by, we can always have a good talk about it. Kereta ni kita buat balik. Kalau Daniel ingatkan, kita ada satu Neo yang dulu kita shooting sekali dengan Saga putih. So this was the blue colour Neo. Owner datang balik, buat balik package A to Z. Why do I say package A to Z bro? Dulu biru, now this is Aztec green. Okay. Engine bay rebuild back again. Screw celup balik semua. Okay, celup balik. You can see all the chrome, all this rolling thing. Boleh tengok kat mounting ni. So we send it back for plating. And then it has a new carbon fiber hood which we have our people to do it. And not last but least, he has some good new Recaro seats. So
wow. Weh sayang dengan seat cover. Bos. Basically Satria Neo ni yang Simon baru terangkan tadi tu ada juga dalam video lama aku. Mivec 1.6 yang warna biru tu sekarang dah tukar ke warna biru-biru hijau-hijau. Ni dah ada kereta tu. Sekarang dia dah rebuild balik, engine dah rebuild balik, engine bay dah cat, body pun dia cat baru. Sekarang dah lagi sedap lah.
okay, untuk kereta ni also came from, I would say, zero to hero package. Full engine repaint. This is yang kita provide dah. Kita tengok kalau customer request, bang I nak my engine bay to look new, to look better, sanding down, repainting, is all custom by MPS. This is a standard GSR CK. Cuma dia bateri kita relocate kat belakang, nampak kat sini kosong.
Okay. Mainway untuk piping.
This is an ongoing project in MPS. A Mivec turbo. which we will let know the specs very soon once this baby is reborn. Running on full forged internals. We prefer to complete the project, and once we are happy with this R&D, and then we will definitely demo discuss on what is it all about. Right, so why I say R&D is because this car is going to run on electronic power steering, also going to run on electronic compressor, so you won't need the need of belting.
Yo, electronic compressor.
Yes, electronic compressor for your aircon. So kalau kau nak rembat, but it's all controlled by electronics. You won't be having belting, external weight. Yes, so this is why we're going to proceed with this R&D. 6 months into testing, if we are happy, we're going to let everyone know how kita nak buat benda ni.
Alright, so sampai dekat situ sajalah video untuk kali ni. Review workshop NAZRIN Performance Shop, lubuk Mivec. So siapa-siapa yang rasa macam nak merasa Mivec, sebab diorang ada sediakan kereta untuk kat sini, untuk korang rasa lah macam mana penangan Mivec ni. Kalau korang rasa nak convert, kalau korang rasa nak upgrade, kalau korang rasa nak consultation, nak advice, korang boleh datang workshop ni, NPS, boleh jumpa NAZRIN. Aku akan tag dia punya number, dia punya Facebook, dia punya Instagram semua dalam ni, dan korang boleh contact dia. Kalau korang suka video ni, korang boleh like, boleh komen, korang boleh share video ni. Kepada yang belum sempat subscribe tu, boleh subscribe. Aku akan jumpa korang dalam video seterusnya. Assalamualaikum.